If you need to compress or reduce the size of your images for official use, this video will guide you through the process. Firstly, open your browser and search I love image. Click on the first website that appears. Once on the site, you will find various options for editing your image. Click on Compress Image. Upload your document by clicking on Select Images and choose your document here. After that, click on Compress Image. After compressing, download your document. If you wish to compress it further, select the downloaded image and compress it by repeating the previous method. For precise or accurate size adjustment, you can use Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, Microsoft Office Picture Manager can be an alternative. For this, you have to open Photoshop and drag and drop your image. To compress, go to Image and then Image Size or directly press Alt-Ctrl-I. A new tab will open that allows you to decrease or increase the size of image by changing width, height or resolution. Decrease it as low as you require. Here you can see the 5 MB file converted into 263K. Now click on OK and save your image in the required format by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S. You can change the image format by here. Now if you don't have Photoshop, right-click on the image and open it with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. For compressing, click on Edit Picture and then Compress Picture. Choose your desired image size from here and save it by pressing Ctrl+S. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, subscribe to my channel and share your thought in the comment. And until the next video, goodbye.